Welcome to a journey through the world's most dangerous roads. From dizzying mountain passes to treacherous cliffside routes, these roads test the courage of even the most skilled drivers. With breathtaking views and life-threatening risks, they are not for the faint of heart. Buckle up as we take you on a thrilling ride through some of the most extreme roads on the planet. Believe me, when I tell you that you shouldn't stop at this intersection, it's a hunting ground not for humans. Crocodiles with over 100 of them in the area. In some parts of the world, tourists can cross glass bridges for a thrill, but nothing compares to the experience of crossing the Ginsky Bridge in Siberia. Standing 15 million high and stretching 570 million long. This bridge was regularly used by cars despite its poor condition, until ice drifts destroyed its supports in 2018. Iron Mountain Road in the United States offers stunning views that make it worth slowing down. One of its most remarkable features is the Needle's Eye Tunnel, a ply name for its narrow dimensions. With a tunnel measuring only 2.4 meters wide and 3.6 meters high. If you grew up in a snowy area, you've probably dug tunnels in the snow, but Japan took it a step further by carving out an entire road. Each year, a team of snowplows works to create a unique experience for tourists. The walls of the snow corridor reach up to 18 meters high.
We will soon be arriving at the Murodo Terminal. 2,400.
The contrast of the sky against the vast white walls is truly unique. We are on Bolivia's death road. It connects Layas and Corico and is known as one of the world's most dangerous roads. These days, there's a safer road between the two cities, so this one has become a hotspot for thrill seekers. The altitude drops from 4,600 to 1,200 meters. Over its 56-kilometer length, and most of the road is only 3.2 meters wide, allowing just one car to pass at a time. It might seem incredible, but this railroad bridge, opened in 1900, is still in use today. Currently, 2 trains cross it daily. The Godik Viaduct, located in Myanmar, stands 250 meters high and stretches over 600 meters long. The Black Bear Road in Colorado earns its name for a good reason. It's easier for a bear to pass through than a car.
It's beautiful.
It takes 2 hours to cover just 19 kilometers.
All right. There you go.
All right, now you got to turn hard.
Are you in four-wheel drive?
All right, you're good, Bill. You got it.
Just keep running.
You got
Yeah, just like that. Keep that turn.
At nearly 4,000 meters above sea level, it's one of the most dangerous roads in the U.S. In bad weather, it becomes completely impassable. Mount Xiamen in China is a major tourist destination, with several ways to reach it. One option is the 99 Bends Road, also known as Avenue to the Sky, which climbs over 1,500 meters from the mountain's base. You can't climb a mountain sitting on your couch, but with a well-insured car, you can even tackle the Himalayas. These vehicles are heading to Ground Zero, where the mountain road ends. Located on the border between India and Tibet at an altitude of 4,660 meters, this is the last point accessible to civilians, with only military roads beyond. Usually bridges are high above water, but this floating bridge in China is different. Vehicles up to 2.8 tons can drive almost on the surface of the Qing River. The speed limit is 20 kilometers. At just 400 meters long and surrounded by stunning landscapes, it's a place where no one feels the need to rush. This road in Pakistan's Kalar Valley has over 100 curves, many of them incredibly sharp. The road often narrows to a strip with an abyss on both sides. And this road goes on for 14 kilometers. Next time you feel anxious, Be grateful you're not on the Canary Highway in Nepal. Even seasoned cyclists avoid this route, let alone drivers. This intense road stretches 232 kilometers. And despite its narrow width, accommodates two-way traffic, making many sections a challenging puzzle to navigate. Reaching the end before sunset is crucial, as night travel is prohibited. Vietnam isn't the ideal place to enjoy a podcast while driving on the road. And being a pedestrian here is an experience you wouldn't wish on anyone. The cities are filled with millions of motorcycles, yet surprisingly, they manage to avoid collisions. The lack of traffic signs and lights forces everyone to be more attentive, since they can't rely on rules making each person responsible. Lake Baal is the deepest lake in the world in winter that doesn't matter. The ice is so thick that it can even support the weight of a car. From February to March, a road on the ice opens up, offering an unforgettable journey with incredible scenery. This stretch of highway may look like something straight out of a video game set, but it's a real road in Norway. Built in the 1980s, this unusual bridge is the longest of 8 along the route. Extending 23 meters into the sea, locals call it the Drunk Bridge. The Dalton Highway in Alaska is no place for inexperienced drivers.
We're doing mode.
It's one of the most isolated roads in the U.S. with fewer than 100 residents along its hundreds of miles. If you think Africa is all sunshine and brightness, think again. This video shows a highway in Kenya shrouded in thick fog. As a result, local road service had their hands full that day. Thanks for watching our channel. If the video series caught your attention, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Remember, awareness and preparation are key to staying safe. See you in the next video.